Hello, ambience. Do you also want a PPT or debate? I can bring that. I have to take my big brain. 10 hours later. Oh, I got a topic. So yes, yes, you can listen. You can see. Our topic is fly versus walk. So can we start? Yes. So, so let's start from our yes. So we have to also take remember of the points. So this is the point board. So let's start. So for my first opinion is in the traffic. Yes. This word is very boring. Yes. In the traffic. Did you know traffic? What is traffic? You know, but I will tell you one more time. So, like suppose so suppose these are the cars or the bikes or the cycles you can and suppose you are walking. So you have no space to go. Like there is one more car, there is one more car, there is one more car. So you can't go. But if you can fly like a papa ki pari, so you can cross it very easily. So the point goes to fly and walk 0. Yes. So let's continue with our second point. It is bird poop. Yes. So if you are walking like you are have so much of nice mood and suppose suddenly you think or you feel that something get on your head. So you see that is birds poop. But one more time, if you can fly like a papa ki pari, so no one can do anything. So the point goes to fly and walk 0. So I think that you have remembered a quote that is I don't know what is written. So that quote was हार ही जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. So let's come to walk. जो भी हो. So let's come to walk. So let's come to walk again. So in the walk, if you are running, बेइज्जती मार दिया तूने तो. So if you are running, you can run easily. But if you are flying like a papa ki pari, so you cannot run. For ladies, I'm sorry. So if you can fly, so you cannot run. So the point goes to walk and fly 0. So let's come to a science physically question. No, a science physically point. So that is breathe. Yes. Like suppose this is land. देखो आंखें नहीं है. And this is sky. If you are if you are walking, so you can breathe. but if you in the sky, there is low amount of the क्या था हाँ वो oxygen, so you can't breathe and you can die on the sky. I know that my drawing is very good. So let's come. So let's come to fly one more time. So do you know what is pakoda? No, वो वाला पकौड़ा नहीं खाने वाला. Another one. That is this. Yes. So if you are walking, so you can step on this, and when you step on this, so you say you. So you can step on this. I have do this one time. This is a real example. I have done this one time. So in this walking, so you can step on this. But in the sky, you are flying like this Superman. So you cannot get step on it. So the points goes to fly. Walk 0. So yeah. I think do you know one more कहावत नहीं है वो कुछ और है पता नहीं. So प्यारे बच्चों जो कुछ करना था कर लो अब हुआ है. So let's come to this word tired. Yes. This is also a science of physically point. So if you are walking, so you will get more less tired. But if you are become super Superman, so your hand will be like this, and you are flying fast. So the air will come and it pulls. So your arm get tired. So we get tired more in the sky. So the point goes to walk. So let's count the point. एक मिनट गलती होगी मेरे से पॉइंट गिनने में गलती होगी. तो पॉइंट गिनने में गलती होगी एक मिनट. सर एक मिनट वो आई नहीं थी सर. सर एक मिनट कौन सा भूल जाऊं मैं सर. 1 2 3 4 5 6 में 3 काउंटिंग में मिस्टेक हो गई है थोड़ी सी. सही कर लेना. मेरे हिसाब से यहाँ 3 पॉइंट्स होने चाहिए थे टाई के लिए, लेकिन काउंट नहीं क्या होगा. मैंने 1 पॉइंट आप बता देना कमेंट में. तो हाँ आज के लिए इतने ही. मिलेंगे किसी और पीपीटी और डिबेट में. बाय बाय. अरे जाओ ना. रुको मैं आगे जा रहा हूँ. तो आपको अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी सब्सक्राइब कर दो. मैं रिश्वत नहीं मांग रहा हूँ, पहले बता रहा हूँ.